This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Exodus account. First, download the Exodus Wallet application from their official website or App Store onto your device. Once installed, open the application. You'll then see an option to create new wallet. Select this to begin setting up your personal software wallet for managing various cryptocurrencies securely. Next, and this is crucial, you will be presented with a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down on paper and store it in a very secure, private place. This phrase is the master key to your funds. If you lose it, or if someone else gets it, your assets could be lost forever. Never share it with anyone. Now, you'll need to set a strong, unique password for your Exodus wallet. Make sure it's something you can remember, but is difficult for others to guess. You will be asked to confirm this password to ensure there are no typos. This password protects your wallet on your device, so keep it confidential. With your wallet created and secured, you can now explore the many cryptocurrency assets Exodus supports. To add funds, simply send crypto to your unique wallet addresses. You can also send funds out or use the convenient built-in exchange feature to swap between different assets directly within the wallet. Enjoy managing your digital wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.